Did you know that what you eat could significantly affect your brain health? Indeed, there's an extraordinary connection between your plate and your gray matter. But how does this work, you ask? Let's get into it. We've all heard of the saying, "You are what you eat." But it's not just about maintaining a healthy body weight and keeping those heart arteries clear. It also holds true for our brain health. The food we consume can significantly impact our cognitive function and mental health. Now let's think of our brains as high-powered engines. They require top-quality fuel to run efficiently. The fuel in this case is the food we eat. Our brains need a complex mix of nutrients to function properly. When we consume a balanced diet rich in certain nutrients, it can boost our brain health, improving everything from memory to concentration. It's not rocket science, really. The healthier the food, the better your brain can function. But what sets apart brain foods from the rest? Brain foods are packed with essential nutrients like antioxidants, good fats, vitamins, and minerals that provide energy and aid in protecting against brain diseases. They're like the superheroes of the food world, swooping in to save the day, or rather, save your brain. These brain-boosting foods can improve brain health by stimulating the brain's power, improving memory, concentration, and mood, and even rebuilding brain cells. Yes, you heard that right. Certain foods can help regenerate brain cells, a process once thought to be impossible. So it's not just about keeping your body in shape anymore. It's about maintaining a well-fed brain for optimum mental performance. If you're wondering where to start, don't worry, we've got you covered. We're about to dissect the world of brain foods, revealing what exactly they are, how they work, and how you can incorporate them into your diet for maximum benefits. It's time to gear up for a culinary journey like no other, a journey that promises to be as delicious as it is insightful. Stay tuned as we delve into the different types of brain foods and how they can benefit you. From blueberries to walnuts, there's a smorgasbord of brain foods waiting to be explored. Let's dive into this fascinating world of nourishment that not only tantalizes our taste buds, but also fuels our brain. First up on our list are fruits and vegetables. These natural delights are packed with antioxidants which protect our brain cells from damage. Blueberries, for instance, are known to delay brain aging and enhance memory, thanks to their high levels of flavonoids. On the other hand, vegetables like broccoli are rich in antioxidants and vitamin K, which is believed to support brain health. Next, we have whole grains. Foods like oatmeal, brown rice, and whole grain bread are excellent sources of glucose, which is the primary source of energy for our brain. They release glucose slowly into the bloodstream, keeping you mentally alert throughout the day. Let's not forget lean proteins. Foods such as fish, poultry, and eggs are brimming with proteins that contain amino acids, which are essential for our brain cells. Fish, particularly those rich in omega-3 fatty acids like salmon and mackerel, are known to boost brain function and slow mental decline. Last but not least, we have healthy fats. Avocados, nuts, and seeds are excellent sources of unsaturated fats and are included in many brain-boosting diets. Walnuts, for instance, have high levels of DHA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid that has been linked to improved cognitive performance in adults and brain health in infants. Each of these food groups offers a unique blend of nutrients that provide our brains with the fuel it needs to function optimally. They are not just food for our bodies, but also food for our thoughts, our memory, our concentration, and our overall mental well-being. So, the next time you're planning your meals, remember to include a variety of these brain foods. They're not only delicious, but also serve as the building blocks for a healthy and vibrant brain. Now that we know what brain foods are, let's look at some specific examples. Ready to give your brain a boost? Here are some brain foods you might want to add to your shopping list. First up, we have the humble blueberry. These tiny fruits pack a punch when it comes to improving brain health. They are loaded with antioxidants that delay brain aging and improve memory. No wonder they're often referred to as brain berries. So, next time you're in the supermarket, make sure to grab a punnet or two. Next on our list is salmon. This fish is known for its high content of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health. Studies have shown that they boost memory and cognitive function. And let's not forget, it's delicious too. Grilled, baked, or pan-seared, it's a brain-healthy choice you won't regret. Now let's talk about broccoli. It might not be everyone's favorite vegetable, but it's a powerhouse when it comes to brain health. It's rich in antioxidants and vitamin K, which is believed to support brain health and has been linked to a lower risk of brain-related issues. So, it might be time to make peace with this green veggie. Lastly, we have turmeric. This golden spice is a staple in many kitchens around the world, but did you know it's also a superfood for your brain? The The active ingredient in turmeric, curcumin, has been shown to cross the blood-brain barrier and has both anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits. It can boost brain-derived neurotrophic factors linked to improved brain function and a lower risk of brain diseases. But wait, there's more. The list of brain foods doesn't stop here. Other foods like pumpkin seeds, dark chocolate, oranges, and nuts are also fantastic choices to boost your brain health. So the next time you're planning your meals, why not include some of these brain-boosting foods? But how do you incorporate these brain foods into your diet? Don't worry, we've got some tips for you. So, you've got your shopping list. But how do you incorporate these brain foods into your diet? Well, it's simpler than you might think. Let's start with breakfast, the meal that kickstarts your day. Instead of reaching for that box of sugary cereal, why not opt for a bowl of oatmeal topped with a generous handful of blueberries? Not only will this give you a dose of antioxidants, but it will also provide you with a slow release of energy to keep you going until lunch. Speaking of lunch, how about a fresh salad? But let's make it brain healthy. Spinach is a great base. It's packed with vitamins and antioxidants. Add a sprinkle of sunflower seeds for a dose of vitamin E and top it off with a dressing made from extra virgin olive oil, a fantastic source of monounsaturated fats, which are known to keep brain cells healthy. Now let's move on to dinner. You might be familiar with turmeric, the golden spice that gives curry its vibrant color. But did you know that it's also a powerful brain food? Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound that crosses the blood-brain barrier and has been shown to boost levels of the brain hormone BDNF, which aids in brain growth. So why not add a dash of turmeric to your evening meal? It pairs wonderfully with chicken, fish, and even tofu. And let's not forget about snacks. Walnuts in particular are a great snack choice. They're rich in DHA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid that's been linked to improved cognitive performance, healthier brain cells, and even better mental health. So, next time you feel peckish, reach for a handful of walnuts instead of that bag of chips. Incorporating brain foods into your diet doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. It's all about making smart choices and being mindful of what you're putting into your body. Remember, your brain is an incredible machine, and just like any machine, it performs best when it's well-fueled. With these tips, you're well on your way to boosting your brain health with good eats. So, to recap, we dove into the captivating world of brain foods and their incredible influence on brain health. It's a fascinating journey that begins right at our dining table, where the food we consume directly impacts our brain's performance. This, indeed, epitomizes the concept of you are what you eat. Our adventure led us to the different types of brain foods, each with their unique benefits. We discovered that omega-3 fats found in foods like salmon and walnuts are the building blocks of brain cells. They help to improve the structure of neurons and boost brain health. We also learned about antioxidants in berries and dark chocolate that combat oxidative stress and inflammation, protecting our brains from age-related decline. We highlighted some specific examples of brain foods that are not just nutritious but also delicious, from the omega-3 rich salmon and walnuts, the antioxidant-loaded blueberries and dark chocolate, to the turmeric with its active compound curcumin that crosses the blood-brain barrier and has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits. We also shared some practical tips to incorporate these brain foods into your daily diet. Whether it's adding a handful of blueberries to your morning cereal, enjoying a piece of dark chocolate as an afternoon pick-me-up, or spicing up your meals with turmeric, these small changes can make a big difference to your brain health. But let's remember, folks, while food is a powerful tool for maintaining brain health, it's just one piece of the puzzle. Regular exercise, adequate sleep, and a positive mindset are equally important. With the knowledge we've shared today, you're now equipped to make smarter food choices that not only satisfy your palate but also nourish your brain. So, go ahead, embrace the power of brain foods and embark on the journey towards a healthier mind. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite brain food. Stay healthy and remember, a healthy food, a healthy mind.